Wait. Go back up and get a running start. Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go. You're stuck. Oh no!
My feet are not.
Hi, Alex.
I'm in the tree. Quinny, I'm in the train. Stop, Quinny.
Careful, Quinny.
It's my train.
You want to sit in the train with your brother?
Now I need to start all over again.
Okay, great. Here we go.